Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can switch from 2.4 gigahertz to 5 gigahertz on your Windows. So this is for the preferred band on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process on how we can do that. So in the Windows search bar right here, type device manager. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the device manager window, we need to look for the network adapters, this one. And then we have to look for our network adapter in the list of network adapters right here. Now, how can you know that that is your network adapter? Well, let me show you. Right click at the start button and then select run. Type here ncpa.cpl and click on OK. Now we have here, now let us adjust this just to show you. So I have here my Wi-Fi or the network adapter, which is Realtek RTL822CE802 11ACPCLA. This one adapter. So this is my network adapter. You can also check that from here. Then close this window. Make a right click on it, or again, it's not right click. Just simply double click. Sorry for that. Do not right click, just simply double click. Then this window will appear, which has General, Advanced, Driver tab, Details tab, Events tab, and the Resources tab. Click on the Advanced tab. Now here in the list of properties, you need to look for the preferred band. So scroll down, this one, preferred band. Click on this drop-down arrow. So you have three choices here. No preference, 2.4 gigahertz first or 5G first. Now you have to go with 5G first. For scroll up, for in-channel width for 2.4 gigahertz, make sure this is auto. For in-channel width for 5.2 gigahertz, make sure that this is auto. Now once done, click on OK. Then simply close this windows. Then how can you know that you are connected to a Wi-Fi network which is 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz? Just simply click on the start button. Go to settings. This is an additional info. Click on network and internet. And then you have here the properties. Now I am connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So if you have more Wi-Fi networks at your home or at your place, then you can just simply connect to any Wi-Fi network that is a 5 gigahertz. So you can simply check that in the settings if it is a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So that's it. That's how you can switch from 2.4 gigahertz to 5 gigahertz on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.